viewers out there, this video is dedicated to Python developer and here we'll be discussing on top 10 best IDEs for Python. For Python developers, IDE, which is basically Integrated Development Environment, is a very useful tool when it comes to maintaining, testing or debugging your Python code. Most of the programmer along with the IDE use code editor, and code editor is generally used for syntax highlighting and editing of a code. With Python IDE, you will get the feature of code editor as well as tons of other resource features, which makes overall development much more easy and quick. So if you are working on a small project, then you can go with the code editor. And if you are working on a big project and looking forward to scaling it in the future as well, then you can definitely go with IDE. This is how you'll be working on with various projects in Python. And in this video, we'll be discussing on various IDE and code editors which are quite popular and very useful. PyCharm is one of the best Python IDE available, having a number of amazing and powerful features that allows you to develop a variety of Python applications. PyCharm IDE provides you a lot of resourceful features like advanced debugging, code completion, smart code, navigation, error highlighting and refactoring, so on. So for a beginner programmer, using PyCharm can be a little challenging. However, PyCharm has a great community support. So troubleshooting in PyCharm will be very easy and quick for you. You can choose the pre-built theme which is available, or you can also use the customized IDE for PyCharm based on your requirement. There are two versions of PyCharm that are available. First one is PyCharm Community, which is free and is dedicated to Python development, whereas the other one is PyCharm Professional, which is paid and has built-in support in it. The next IDE that is of our interest is PyDev. If you know Eclipse, which is one of the most popular IDE among Java developers, now with the help of PyDev, that is an Eclipse plugin, you can create an environment for Python development as well. With PyDev, you'll get lots of features like advanced debugging, Django integration, auto code completion, syntax and error highlighting. So if you're already an Eclipse user, then PyDev is the best IDE you should go with. The third IDE that we will be concentrating on is Spyder. Spyder is a cross-platform IDE which is dedicatedly designed for data scientists and engineers. It is integrated with libraries like NumPy, Pandas, Matplotlib, SciPy. So if you are into data science or machine learning, then Spyder is the IDE you should go with. Spyder is a lightweight IDE. For installing Spyder, you have to first install Anaconda distribution on your computers. Atom is a cross-platform code editor which was developed by GitHub using a popular framework Electron. Atom is really easy to use because of its simple user interface, and you can also customize the user interface according to your need. Atom is a code editor, however it has all the basic functionality of an IDE as well. It supports most of the popular programming languages like PHP, Java, Python, JavaScript, C++ and so on. Now let's speak about Idle. Idle is a simple lightweighted Python IDE which automatically gets installed after the installation of Python on your computer. So Idle was developed using Python and its user interface was developed using Python toolkit called Tkinter. And the Idle is mostly used by the beginner programmers who are looking forward to learn Python programming. And it is not recommended for developing big projects using this. The sixth IDE under this list is Visual Studio Code. Visual Studio Code is an amazing IDE developed by Microsoft, and it has really interactive and eye-catching user interface. It is the most popular IDE among developers for Python as well as other programming languages. It comes with lots of cool features and extensions for different programming languages and technologies. Next one is Sublime Text 3. Sublime Text 3 is the most popular code editor among the programming community. This is a lightweight and cross-platform code editor which supports a number of programming languages. There are many plugins available which help you to customize and change the functionalities of the code editor. It provides a really good experience for Python development. Sublime Text is free to use. However, in some time you will be asked to buy a premium version of the editor. Now let's discuss about Thorny. Thorny is a simple and cross-platform IDE that was specially created for beginner Python developer. So if you are a beginner, then Thorny is the best IDE for you. In Thorny IDE, there is a separate window that was created for each function call, which will help you to understand the actual working of a program. The last IDE that we'll be discussing is Jupyter. Jupyter is a simple and dedicated IDE for data science. So if you have just started your data science journey, then this is the tool you must use. Jupyter comes with lots of data science libraries like Pandas, Matplotlib, NumPy, and it also supports a number of other programming languages other than Python. Vim is quite simple but very helpful code editor among developer community. If you are a command prompt or a terminal lover, then you will love Vim editor. Vim is an editor that you can use in your terminal as well. Vim is used for text editing as well as code editing and supports most of the programming language. It comes pre-installed on Linux and macOS. Vim has a lot of shortcut key available and you can extend the functionality by adding more plugins as well. So, thanks for watching this video. I hope you liked it. With much better understanding of various IDEs and the editors that can be possibly used. Hope it all helped. Thank you.